Well, hello there everyone, and today I'm going to be doing some hiking up this little ski hill, and it's just close by to where I am. It's within the GTA, so that's always good, right? And what I do is I just hike up the hill. Usually I run, but today I'm just going to be hiking up the hill and just trying to get some distance in for today. It is quite cold. It's like -6, and see how this goes. Feeling pretty good, and hopefully I can develop more stamina and endurance as I attempt my Spartan Ultra for next year in 2021. Anyway, and like anything else, I mentioned it before that having a van built to sort of crash out in afterwards has been so helpful. And it's a minivan, and I know at one point I was thinking of sort of putting together like a list of why you would want to maybe just start off with a minivan versus a Sprinter, just to get started in terms of having a camper van where that could suit your purpose, whether for part-time or for full-time. But anyway, I'm gonna go try something out and see you guys soon. Well, hello there YouTube, and today I'm just out here. It's about -6 degrees Celsius early this morning. It's warmed up a bit more, which is fantastic. And I'm just hiking up this little ski hill that's close by, getting some exercise. No running today. I have my boots on, so it's not really the best thing to run with. But at this point, I find it's much easier now to go up these hills, unlike a few months ago. My body's getting used to it, and it's certainly something that I'll need to have in terms of stamina and endurance and some strength to be able to go up some hills for my Ultra coming up, hopefully in 2021. I really don't know where all this thing is going, but I know one thing for sure is I'm going to run an Ultra at some point, whether it's a public event like a Spartan race or whatever it may be. Maybe I have to head out somewhere else, but I think it's important to have some form of daily exercise. It's good for the mind. I know it's good for my mind, and it sort of helps to reset your mood and your feelings. So wow, it's cold. Anyway, I'm going to put down this camera because my fingers are freezing. Anyway, have a great day, have a great week, and thanks for chiming in. If you like the video, upload it, thumbs up it, subscribe, get some notifications, and hopefully at some point you'll be able to see me in one of my Spartan races crossing that finish line. Thanks. But seriously though, this never gets old. Pouring a cup of coffee via drip, it's just so heavenly. Well, that was good. I went up the hill about 4 times. Well, I went 4 times to sort of each represent a special person in my life. So I'm sure I have to go up that hill much more than 4 times. But 4 times is good today. It was very cold, and I'm just trying to think right now what it's going to be like in the next few weeks, few months, how cold it's going to get. So I think I might have to sort of change up the way I dress. Today I had my jacket and like a bomber style vest, so that was pretty good, and that kept me kind of warm. But my fingers, they pretty much froze, and it's not even that cold. It was -6 degrees today, and there was a bit of sun. So I'm just gonna chill out here, warm up, and just head out again. Hey yo, so check it out. I've got a foot warmer, courtesy of the Silver Duct. So just after my sort of like hill hike, if that's what you want to call it, and this is what I do. I just sort of chill out afterwards, and right now I feel like taking the biggest nap ever. And I had my diesel heater running. It's warmed up in here, so that's pretty good. It does get colder after maybe about 10-15 minutes, but you know, by that time I'm usually under the covers and sort of just napping away. But if I needed to turn it on, I just turn it on. But I'm just making some coffee. And you know what? You can actually see the little steam coming from the coffee. And let's not forget our silver duck.